nails to clean. Almost as much as I love tummy rubs.
The Kid Science Fair.
ARF double can't wait.
Remember, you need to rest. Wow, good thing I added that super cleaner fuse as a part of Puppet Aisles.
Time for ARF to rest and reboot, like Bob. Oh, ARF does love to clean, but Bob said ARF needs to rest.
ARF, are you okay?
You feel warmer than usual. That might mean you're sick.
Sick? ARF?
How?
Oh, look! Ooh, look! A thing I'm gonna eat instead of resting.
We were the ones who asked him to clean.
I can make a new one of these if I had all the parts.
Then it'll be ARF.
I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Uh-huh.
Bad news, this is a robot fuse. And we're at a robot factory next door. The guard dog for this robot factory should be around here.
I'm here. Where's the bad guys? I'll get them.
These pups need to make a fuse. Can you show them where the parts are?
Ha! Can I?
Yeah. Hey, boss, careful with... door.
Won't get any worse? Oh, finally.
Hurry.
Go to sleep, ARF. And sneezes, making for a lousy day. It's colds and coughs and runny noses, but it